Yeah, YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. 2009 SP Authentic Baseball, 24 packs, 3 hits per box. We're looking for a Derek Jeter autograph buyback, but I don't know. We'll see. Something nasty. Maybe a Griffey auto would be nice. Pack 1. And, wow, first hit off the bat for the Orioles. It's a nice rookie, actually. Numbered out of 200. It missed his jersey number by 2. 13 out of 200. Rookie auto of Matt Wieters. One of the better guys you could get. Matt Wieters. Pack 2, Faces of the Game, Derek Lowe for the Braves. Put that there. Faces of the Game for the Mariners at a $2.99 of Ken Griffey Jr. Faces of the Game of Randy Johnson of the Giants. Platinum Powers, Grady Sizemore, Indians. And Super Duper, you always do really well. That random you one was nice. Rookie of Vin Mazzaro. He actually grew up in New Jersey for the Athletics. And Carlos Beltran for the Royals. Future Watch flashbacks. He looks like he's like 12 in that picture. That's out of 495. And here will be the autograph Letterman. I see Indians, and it'll be a Trevor Crow autograph Letterman E. This one's numbered out of 65. Trevor Crow. Yeah, I used to not like these manufactured patch autos, but I kind of like them. And numbered 55 out of 59 for the Red Sox, John Lester. A rookie of Ricky Romero for the Blue Jays. He's having a good year. All base. For the Cubs, an Alfonso Soriano insert, not numbered. So almost done with the second half. Yeah, Crow, I kind of like him. I think he's underrated, to be honest. Johan Santana for the Mets, Faces of the Game. Did he? I actually missed it then. At a $2.99, Jason Varitek of the Red Sox. All right, final stack of packs here. This looks like it's the hit. It is the hit. Good luck. And it'll be for the Diamondbacks. And Alex Romero, autograph gold, Letterman O. This one is numbered at a 40. Alex Romero. For the D-backs. A rookie of Daniel Shellerth for the D-backs. A gold of Anthony Swarzak for the Twins out of 299. Got base. Platinum Powers of Josh Beckett, Red Sox. Yeah, we hit a Bo Jackson premiere for football a couple breaks ago. Yankees, CC Sabathia, faces of the game. There's 2 packs remaining. A gold at a 299 of Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. And final pack for the SP Authentic will be a rookie of Anthony Swarzak again for the Twins. So there it is, SP Authentic. We'll be back. GSN Cards is out.